Polevka s Jatrovymi Kn and number 277, dliky soup with liver dumplings. You will need 12 dish from Czech Republic. Serves 2. Step 1. Mix ground beef liver with butter, garlic, lemon rind, marjoram and mace. Beat in eggs and bread crumbs, flour, salt and pepper. Let it stand in room temperature for about 1 hour. Step 2. Shape into small balls the size of ping pong balls, bring the consommé to a boil, drop in liver dumplings. Step 3. Cover and simmer for 15 minutes. Country reports, culture, countries, travel.